Hey guys, welcome back to Plumbing with Tim, part 2 of urinal replacement. Today we're back over at the condo association in the clubhouse bathrooms to rehang a brand new urinal. As you saw in my last video, the urinal actually got broke. The dog ear was. We didn't do it and stuff. But we are being graced by another one of our plumbers from our company with his helper. So there's actually 4 of us on the job. So if we can't get it done, it's never getting done. Let's go. There's a new urinal. I think we got a problem here though, because this urinal looks to be a little bit bigger than the other one. From the dog ear point, the center point is 23¼ on that one, and up here where our old one hanging brackets are around, let's see, have some patience here. Looks to be right around 20¼ So we have about a 3-inch difference. It's telling me we're gonna have to move those brackets up a little bit. And I don't know if there's backing board behind there. There is on that, but if there isn't any backing board on there, we're gonna have to call and get some long toggle bolts. But 3 on the other side. And take your level and draw a straight line across the 2. That way we know exactly where we're raising that bracket up to. And I don't think there's any backing behind there. There we go. Feels like sounds like there's a backing board back in there. All right.
Try to catch one inside from.
All right, lining up our closet bolts coming off our flange before we put our black seal on there. We've moved the brackets up a little bit. We're going to add a couple more screws in there. And we're going to try to hang this bad boy from the wall and see if it all matches up. We got our wax seal down in here. Make sure it's, take your palm and kind of press up against it just a little bit so it holds tight. Okay. That's good. Oh, wish me luck. Need a lot of it when it comes to hanging these urinals. Hang a bracket first. Get it on there. And right about there. Should line up on the bottom. Where are we? There it is. There she goes. Nice. Now we just need to get the nuts down here on that and hook up the valve. I see this little bit of a space that's in here. It's because that flange is away from the wall a little bit. Not too worried about that as long as it's sealed to that wax. We put some rubber washers on there first to protect the porcelain. Kind of like that. And our screws. Yeah, let's do it. You want to be careful. You're working with porcelain. It's like a toilet. If you ever tighten something, it's going to break. I'm telling you right now. We'll get these tightened down, and we're going to hook the valve up and see if we've got any leaks, and we'll seal it all up. I know we're going to have to make some adjustments here on the valve pipe.
What's that big guy? Yeah, Don. I heard all that. You hear that thing throwing it on the floor?
Back here, little O-ring gasket that goes there. The valve is shot. I've got a kit here. Let's see if something like that will work or not. I don't know. It might be too big, might be too small. It's kind of sloppy. Looks a little bit big. Let's keep trying. Kids here, trying to get this thing lined up. Let's go. The automatic light just went out. You guys can see. Oh yeah. Very nice. All right, so we had a lot of adjustments to make. As you can see, when you change out a urinal, it's never the same footprint. Also, I believe that a little bit of the wax got stuck in here because when I first flushed this, it wouldn't go down. So I got that cleared out. I had no problems with that. And the valve had a hard time lining up, and the washer up in here was bad. I was luckily I had one because all the parts stores are closed right now. But everything's working great. And no leaks. Maintenance guy will do the rest. That's all the time we got for this one. I wish I could have been a little more detailed with you, but we had some visitors that showed up and a maintenance guy, and it was just a complete chaos, and it was hard to shoot the video and to show you all things. So hopefully you caught on to a lot of things. Urinals, pulling them and replacing them are two different stories, because you're never going to get a urinal, especially it's been in here since 1984 till 2020. They're never going to have the same footprint, period. You're always going to have to line up wherever that drain is and then work and adjust from there. Luckily, we made it through all the foibles and everybody's happy. Have a good weekend. Thanks for watching. Till next time, it's been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.